Boys, come here. What's been missing in the house? You don't know? Our furry little friend Maggie.
Oh,
Yeah, she was out in the mud, so you know what? Put your bathing suits on. Let's give her a bath. Excellent. You guys got your stuff on. We got some towels to dry the dog off. Let's go do this and so she can come back inside. You guys ready to wash the dog? All right, who's coming first? Get her, get her, get her. Get her nice and wet. All right, she needs to chase it. Let her chase it. Oh! You smell really bad right now. Yep. Hold your head so you don't shake. Keep your head so we don't get it in our ears. We waited for a warm day to do this.
Can I do it?
I need 2 hands to help lather up. Rub it in, don't let her leak. Don't lick it.
Smell great in the house. That's gonna make the house.
Come on, rinse your mouth, rinse your mouth, rinse your mouth. There you go. Good. There you go. That's nice. Sorry about that, girl. Why am I doing this all by myself? I asked for your guys' help. I'm doing it all by myself. Oh, you got a beard again? No, we want to keep her clean. Doesn't matter. Oh, keep going. Here, Maggie. Here, over the dry, over the dry cement, over the dry cement. There we go. Oh, get it right there. Here we go. Oh, right there. You like that? Oh, you like that, don't you? Oh, right.
What's wrong with the body now? She's not biting.
She's white.
Use that towel right there, dude.
I got her tied up with this towel. We got her tied up with this towel. See, she can't get loose. She can't get loose. I can't get the other towel though. Here you go. Get her, get her, get her, get her. Get her before she chews on the towel. Get her, get her, get her.
My turn.
Come back here, dude. Come back here, Maggie. I'm like, get that pampering.
The more water we get off this way, the less she shakes in her house. You guys glad to have Maggie back in the house?
Yes,
Well, she has to dry off a little bit. We just did bathe her. So, you know what we can do though? We have a Pet Deodorizer that we can do where we use to fix it. So it Open it up. There we go. It's a nice tight box. Instructions there.
I look like a cat.
Looks like a cat. You're right. Just pull it out that way. So we got a little cord so we can hang this out of the reach of the dog or the cat or the other pet. Charging cable. Wall mount so we can actually put it on the wall above her bed. And this is a scent. So let's just open it up real quick. Ooh, does that smell good? How's that smell? That smells much better than wet dog, doesn't it? So let's pop the bottom out. Just push it down. Now it comes.
It's cool.
Let's put this in there.
Can I put it in there, please?
Nope, I got it.
Oh, man.
You can put this back in there. You see how it's rounded on one side, straight on the other side, so it goes right in there like that. All right, and then pop it right back in. Okay, you see the button on the side? See the button on the side? Hold it down. And it's on. And let's put it by the dog bed.
Maggie's excited.
And it's going to go on, it's going to run for an hour. So we'll come back in an hour and see if it gets rid of that nasty wet dog smell. All right, you see what that means? That's a perfect reason that we use this little hanging piece. Just like that. Well, you can hang it somewhere, anywhere. We can also, that's not a hook. So we're just, oh, you feel that? That's the fan blowing that scent through there. So let's just go ahead and put it right over here. And let's take the wet dog or the damp dog out of here and come back in just a little bit and see how it smells. All right, it's been an hour. How's it smell? It smells good, doesn't it? Doesn't smell like wet dog anymore. That, and she's also not damp anymore. That's good. Oh, I got a great idea. If that can get rid of wet dog smell, what do you think it can do to you guys' stinky shoe smell? Let's try it out. Take this over to your dirty shoes. There you go. Did you turn it on, though? Got to turn it on. Otherwise, I don't do anything. Hold the button down. All right. That's good for 1 hour. All right. We'll come back in a little bit, and hopefully it gets rid of that stench. All right, Colton. How's the shoe smell? Don't have that nasty shoe smell anymore, do you?
No.
Good. What do you think it'll do to your bathroom? Let's put it in the half bath right here. Just go and put it by the sink. Flip it on and put it by the sink. Turn the light on so we can see what's going on. I guess we can see good enough. Oh, hon, you're gonna love this. It transformed the kids' half bath into something that doesn't smell so bad anymore. We can put this in a lot of places.
Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Watch what happened last time. Watch what happens next time. Don't forget our cool extras.